I'm literally hoping y'all can see this. Alright, so I'm live. I'm going to shovel some snow. I have my beanie, my cap on, and my, what you call it, my sweater hoodie. Let's see, turn this around. How do you turn it around? Oh no. Da 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 da. La da 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 da. Why can't I turn this around? Okay, if it doesn't turn around, that's fine. I'm just gonna hope y'all gonna see me shovel some snow because I got my gloves. Let me put my gloves. Gloves. Glove or gloves? I don't even know. It's better not take me over 1 hour to do all this because it actually doesn't look so bad. But here we go. Whoa. Okay. Oh snap, almost fell. It's not that much. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna need some new Tims after I'm done with this. I'm very upset right now. What the freaking A? Let's see. Throw some of that there. Oh, it's not bad. The neighbors actually have been outside for like hours. Are they outside? Nope, they're inside. And it's still snowing. Let's see. Oh, ow, this is a workout. Oh, snap. No, I just dropped my tissues. Oh, snap. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Put it over there. Whoa. Let's see. Y'all can see this, right? Okay. Alright, not that bad. The snow is not that thick. There is a lot of... Oh shit, I shouldn't... Oh, sorry. Sorry for cursing. Oh, sugar, honey, iced tea. Ugh. Throw some over there. Because, you know, I can't breathe anymore. I haven't been outside for like a minute. But I have to make a trackway. I hear the neighbors. Alright, actually, it's not that cold outside. But, holy crap. There's a lot of snow. I can't lift this up. Oh my god. Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh, ow, my lower back. My lower back. This is why I can't do this. Okay. Ouch. Okay, I'm gonna be here for way more than an hour, so $19 an hour does not count. Not that anyone comes in this damn front of the steps, but whatever. Oops. But the main part is clean. Oh, snapper. Let's see. I'm shoveling the snow. Oh, shit. Sorry for cursing. Snow just got in my boots. I don't want the snow to be in my boots, but it's in my boots. Can't do anything. Oh, sugar. Let's see. I actually really don't know what to do. Clear the trackway. There goes the mail. It can stay right there. Oh my god. Okay. Don't overwork yourself. Do not overwork yourself. That's the most important thing. Do what you can do. Okay? Let's see. Okay. Oh, the wind is coming. I can hear all day long, actually. Oh. Whew. What the heck? I I'm literally going to do the minimum. Okay. Let's go. Let's do this. Because this is the neighbor's driveway and we have to share a spot. Wow. Look at all this snow. Can y'all see all this snow? Wow. Just enough to remove so the neighbors can walk. You know, I was perfectly fine inside the house. Well, again, work smart, not hard. Layers. Layers after layers. And then when I go inside, I have some soup waiting for me. Ow, my lower spine. Ugh. Let's see. Whew. Oh, I smell something that I shouldn't not be smelling. But it smells good. It smells like greens out here. Turn this way. Ugh. I'm smart. Come on. Oh, I have a lot more to go. A lot more. I should count how many minutes I've been here so far. Because the government is trying to give people jobs. I think it was $19 an hour to shovel snow, but yeah, I can make more money doing it for my neighbor. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It seems such a far away, but I'm getting there. Do you wanna build a snowman? Do you wanna make a snow angel with me tonight? Oh, Frosty, the snowman. I forgot the words. Na 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 na. Let's shovel the snow. Shovel some snow. There's no way to go. Just shovel some snow. I'm literally nice and warm. It's really not that cold outside if you bundle up. Oh, okay. Let's do this. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. So apparently I saw that it's going to rain very soon. And I'm hoping it's not going to be like the Ice Age and all the snow is going to turn into ice. So that's why, you know, I got to clean up a little bit of this area. There's some kids outside. I don't know where they are, but I hear them. They're having so much fun in the snow. It seems so far away, but it's getting close. Wow. back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Work smart, not hard. Let's see. I don't have a face mask, which sucks. But I probably will be hyperventilating if I had a face mask on. Let's see. Breathing exercises really do help. Oh, the neighbor's outside. I see him shoveling some snow. I'm almost there. I'm almost done. Whoa. I'm almost done shoveling the snow on this side. What it is to be a kid and not having to shovel snow. I remember that I used to just build snowmans and snow angels. Let's see. Almost to the end where I need to shovel. Wow. That's a lot. Let's see. Taking it day by day. A little time by time. Oh, snappers. Really? Okay. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Grab that snow. Let's see. Whew. I gotta blow my nose. Oh, snappers. Okay, I'm almost done. Oh, why is this the hardest part? Ugh. Alright. Alright. I am done. Yes. My tissue fell again. I gotta put it back in my pocket. Clean this up a little more. Clean this up a little more. And now I'm gonna make a walkway for everybody over here. Screw that. Sugar honey iced tea. The neighbors, or I don't know who they are. I can't see anything. They're trying to get their car out. How you guys doing? All right. Oh, man. I'm tired. just a little more, and I'm gonna stop. Let me take a little break. I need a break. Wow. Excuse me. I need a break. I need a break. Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's continue. When I get back in there, I'm gonna eat my soup. Ooh. I only have the strength to honestly do the sidewalk and the side of the house. I can't do any more. And that's it. And that's it. I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. Not really, but emotionally I'm done. Holy sugar. Okay. I don't know what to do with the rest of the snow over here. Can y'all see this? It's too much. I can't do this by myself. Ugh. That's it. All I'm gonna do is a walkway, and that's it. I'm not doing the driveway at all. See? Now I gotta take the snow from here and travel backwards, which is fine. I gotta blow my nose. I gotta blow my nose. Oh, my tissue fell again. Okay, put it back in my pocket. Go there and go there, and I'm done. Literally, I'm done. And now I'm gonna make a walkway just over here, and that's it. Small little walkway. Oh shit. Oh, sorry for cursing. I got snow in my boots. got snow on my boots. It's cold. Ow, ow. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay. Just this much. And that's it. Whew. Okay. Okay, it's not hard. It's not that hard over here. It's pretty easy. It's not that bad. Oh, snap, almost fell. My cousin told me to go make a snow angel. I would. I so would. But I'm not going to. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe never. They're still stuck in the snow over there. Y'all see them? They're stuck in the snow. But who the heck told you all to come outside in the snow blizzard? Be inside your damn house. Use public transportation. I don't think I have been outside for half an hour. Oh, I almost fell. But we will see. Okay, I'm wiped out. I'm tired. I don't want to do anymore. Ouch, ouch, ouch. I almost fell. I'm okay. Ow. Whew. I'm not even close to being done. Okay. Wow. That's like 2 feet of snow right there. Or maybe more. I don't know. Okay. I'm closer to my destination. A final stop. Holy crap. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. That's a lot of snow. Wow. Okay, a few more steps and I'm done. And I'm done. Wow. Whew. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Almost there. Oh, sugar. Almost at the door. Almost at the door. Wow. Wow. Wow, look at that. If you can see it. And I am coming to an end. Not really. I'm gonna, oh, sugar. Oh, snappers. And the light goes off, and the light comes on. Okay. Ah, there I go. Welcome. Oh, snappers. Come out. It says, welcome. And one more little time, I'm done. Speed it a little bit more. Start this side. A little more. Honestly, this was not that hard, but breathing exercises definitely works. Alright, the neighbors got out. There's a car just drove by. And that's it for the driveway. And now one more sidewalk. One more to the side of the house. Wow. All right. Let's give it one more spin just because. And I think I should do a little more over there. Mario, that's you? Huh? I didn't know that was you. Yeah. You doing all right? All right. Everything good? How's the family?
Very good.
All right. There, yeah. It's not that bad outside right now.
Huh?
It's not bad outside. Yeah. Unless you're cold, I'm hot. Yeah, I know. Oh, man. Wow. More is coming down. All right. Okay. I am finally done. Let's see how long that took me. Wow. Let's see how long that took me. My phone is frozen. My phone is frozen.